Here we got some Michael Vick. Michael Vick is in there as the quarterback. And you see right over here, wide receivers. It's a throw to Jason Avant, at least an attempt to throw there to Jason. Incomplete. It's the beginning of practice. We're over here at the NovaCare Center on Friday morning. Man, all these guys here, there's no telling whose numbers is who. You don't even know most of these guys. But here you got Hank Baskett and Deshaun Jackson coming this side. Michael Vick is in there as the quarterback. Oh, they're checking out. They're changing plays. It's changing plays here. He drops. Makes a throw downfield. Hank Baskett comes down with the ball. Nice throw there by Michael Vick.